Hey there, future crypto millionaires. Ready to dive into the world of digital gold? Ever heard of free money just landing in your lap? Sounds too good to be true, right? No, I'm not talking about that time your grandma slipped you a 20 during the holidays. I'm talking about the wild world of airdrops. Yes, you heard that right, airdrops. It's like finding a crisp bill on the sidewalk, except it's digital, and could be worth way more than you think. Now, before you quit your day job and buy a yacht, let's break this down step by step. Airdrops are basically giveaways in the cryptocurrency world, but there's more to it than just free money. New crypto projects give away free tokens or coins to get people interested and to build a community. Think of it like free samples at the grocery store, but instead of a tiny cup of yogurt, it could be the start of your crypto empire. Imagine the possibilities. But just like that suspicious-looking yogurt, you gotta be careful. Not everything that glitters is gold. Not all airdrops are created equal. Some can be incredibly valuable, while others might be worthless. Some are legit, offering a piece of a potentially valuable project. These are the ones you want to look out for. Others, let's just say they're about as real as a $3 bill. Scams are everywhere, so stay vigilant. That's why I'm here to be your guide through this digital gold rush. Together we'll navigate the complexities of airdrops. We'll explore the ins and outs of airdrops, learn how to spot a scam from a mile away, and understand the true potential of these opportunities. And I'll even share a little story about my own airdrop adventure. So, buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey into the world of crypto airdrops. Okay, so free money sounds great and all, but what's the deal? Why are these generous crypto souls just handing out tokens like Oprah giving away cars? Well, it's all about marketing, baby. New crypto projects need buzz, they need users, they need you. Airdrops are a way for them to get their name out there and build a community around their coin. Think of it as a very modern, very digital publicity stunt. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, marketing ploy, blah blah blah, remember this: early adoption of a successful project can lead to, well, let's just say, life-changing gains. But, and this is a big but, you gotta be careful. The crypto world is like the Wild West, full of opportunity but also crawling with snake oil salesmen and their digital equivalents. That's why it's crucial to do your research. Don't just jump into any old airdrop that pops up in your Twitter feed. Look into the project, the team behind it, and for the love of Satoshi, read the fine print. Airdrops come in all shapes and sizes, my friends. Just like those gift boxes you see on the table, each airdrop has its own unique value and potential. Some are like finding a $5 bill in your old jeans. A nice surprise, but nothing to write home about. It's a small win, a little boost to your day, but it won't change your life. Others are like stumbling upon a hidden treasure chest. Potentially life-changing. Imagine the thrill of discovering a chest full of gold coins. That's the kind of excitement some airdrops can bring. Let's break down the most common types of airdrops, so you know what to look out for and how to maximize your gains. Standard airdrops. These are your basic, no-strings-attached giveaways. The project announces they're giving away free tokens, you sign up, and boom, free money in your digital wallet, hopefully. It's straightforward and simple, just like finding that $5 bill. Bounty airdrops. These are a bit more involved. You gotta do some work to earn your keep, like following the project on social media, sharing their posts, or completing other tasks. It's like a digital scavenger hunt, but the prize is cryptocurrency. The more effort you put in, the bigger the reward. Holder airdrops. These are exclusively for the cool kids, or at least the ones who already own a certain amount of a specific cryptocurrency. It's like a bonus for being an early adopter. If you've been loyal to a project, you get rewarded with more tokens. Exclusive airdrops. These are the VIP airdrops, reserved for influencers, early investors, and other bigwigs in the crypto space. It's like getting an invite to an exclusive party where only the elite are allowed. Knowing the difference between these types of airdrops can help you separate the wheat from the chaff, or in this case, the Bitcoin from the BitConnect. Too soon? By understanding the nuances, you can make more informed decisions and potentially reap greater rewards in the crypto world. Now let's talk about the dark side of the airdrop world, the scammers. These digital bandits are lurking in the shadows, waiting to pounce on unsuspecting newbies. But fear not, my crypto comrades. I'm here to equip you with the knowledge you need to spot these scams from a mile away. First off, remember the golden rule. Never ever share your private keys. Legitimate airdrops will never ask for this information. If someone is asking for your private keys, run for the hills. Next, be wary of any airdrop that seems too good to be true. Promises of guaranteed riches or astronomical returns are usually a red flag. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Finally, do your research. Look for airdrops listed on reputable websites and forums. Check the project's website, read their white paper, if they have one, and see what the crypto community is saying about them. A little bit of research can go a long way in protecting yourself from scams. Section 5. My airdrop adventure, from skeptic to believer. Now, I know what you're thinking, John. You're a cynical comedian. You've seen it all, heard it all, and probably laughed at it all. Did you ever actually make money from an airdrop, or was it just another one of those too good to be true stories? And the answer is, yes, I did make money and it was a pleasant surprise. I'll admit, I was skeptical at first. I mean, who wouldn't be? Free money on the internet? Sounds like a scam, right? I thought airdrops were just another way for crypto bros to shill their latest meme coin, another gimmick in the wild world of cryptocurrency. But then, I stumbled upon an interesting project. It wasn't just hype, it had substance. I did my research, because even cynical comedians do their due diligence, and everything checked out. The project seemed legit. The project had a solid team, a clear vision, and a working product. It wasn't just another flash in the pan. So I took the plunge and signed up for the airdrop. It was a leap of faith, but one I felt was worth taking. And guess what? A few weeks later, a nice little chunk of tokens landed in my wallet. It was like finding a $20 bill in an old coat pocket. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't become a millionaire overnight, but it was a start, a small win in the vast crypto universe. But it was enough to pique my interest and show me the potential of airdrops. It opened my eyes to new possibilities. That's the thing about airdrops, they can be a low-risk way to dip your toes into the crypto waters. A gentle introduction to a complex world, you never know, you might just find your next big investment. Sometimes, all it takes is a little curiosity and a willingness to explore. Section 6. Knowledge is power. Your airdrop toolkit. Alright my crypto compadres, now that you're armed with the knowledge to spot a scam from a mile away, it's time to equip you with the tools you need to navigate the airdrop landscape. First up, you'll need a cryptocurrency wallet. This is where your hard-earned, or should I say airdropped, tokens will be stored. Next, you'll want to familiarize yourself with some reputable airdrop aggregators. These websites and forums curate lists of upcoming and ongoing airdrops, saving you valuable time and effort. And finally, don't underestimate the power of social media. Following crypto influencers, joining Telegram groups, and keeping an eye on Twitter can give you the inside scoop on promising airdrop opportunities. Remember, knowledge is power, my friends. The more you know about airdrops, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and avoid scams. Section 7. Don't just HODL, get involved. Here's a little secret about airdrops. Sometimes it's not just about the free tokens, it's about becoming part of a community. Many crypto projects use airdrops to build a loyal following of early adopters. They want people who are genuinely interested in their project, not just looking for a quick buck. So how do you show them you're a true believer? Engage. Join their Telegram group, participate in discussions on Twitter, and provide feedback on their product. Not only will this increase your chances of receiving future airdrops or rewards, but it's also a great way to learn more about the project and the crypto space in general. Section 8. The future of free money airdrops and beyond. Airdrops have come a long way since their early days. What started as a simple marketing tactic has evolved into a complex and dynamic ecosystem. As the crypto world continues to grow and mature, we can expect to see even more innovative and sophisticated airdrop campaigns. But one thing is for sure, airdrops are here to stay. They're a valuable tool for both crypto projects and investors, and they're only going to become more prevalent in the years to come. So buckle up, my crypto comrades, and get ready for the wild ride that is the future of airdrops. Section 9. Ready to dive in? Remember these golden rules. As we reach the end of our airdrop adventure, let me leave you with a few golden rules to guide you on your journey. Do your research. I can't stress this enough. Thoroughly research every project before participating in an airdrop. Be patient. Airdrops are not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time to build a substantial crypto portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your airdrop portfolio just like you would with any other investment. Stay informed. The crypto world is constantly evolving. Keep up with the latest news and trends to stay ahead of the game, and most importantly, have fun. Airdrops can be a fun and rewarding way to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Now go forth, my crypto compadres, and may the airdrop gods smile upon you.